Hey, Stuffy.
Yeah, Chili?
I got a good joke for you.
Okay, let's hear it.
What do you call a snowman on rollerblades?
Oh, I don't know, what?
A snowmobile!
That's a good one, Chili. Oh, okay, listen to this one. What is a snowman's favorite food?
I don't know. What is it?
Burritos! Get it? Burritos.
It's funny because it's true! Oh, come on, Stuffy!
You guys are so funny.
So, Doc, you think we'll have any patients today?
I sure hope so.
Boom May! We have an emergency!
Hi, Doc. Good, I'm glad you're here. We have a big problem. We have an emergency.
Yeah, Doc, we do.
Well, what's the problem, Shimmer? It's Shine. She's gone wonky. Well, what seems to be the problem?
Huh?
Uh-oh. Just watch.
Achoo! Excuse me.
Bless you! Whoa, what's that?
Oh no, what did I turn into this time?
Doc, see what's going on? Every time she sneezes, she turns into some other crazy blue character.
Oh, that's not good.
Well, Doctor, can you help me?
I think we can, Shine. Let's give you a checkup. Okay, Shine, take a big step forward.
Okay.
Okay, doctors in training, it's time for our examination. Assistant Lammy, Assistant Stuffy, can you help me test her reflexes and check her vitals?
Of course.
Hey, Doc, what about me?
Oh, Assistant Chili, don't worry, I have a special task for you. Could you go over and keep Shimmer company? She seems a little worried about her sister.
Oh, yeah, of course, Doc. Let's go, guys.
She looks very green, as if she's sick.
And what's up with the 3 eyes? That's not good. Okay, Doc, I think there's only one diagnosis that we can give you. She ain't human. But we'll keep checking.
Huh? Huh?
Oh no! She's gonna blow!
Chew! Excuse me.
Ew, yuck. I'm covered in alien snot. Ugh. That's so weak. Whoa! What is that? Okay, Doc, now I'm really confused. What's going on?
Guys, why do I feel like I really want a sandwich? Oh, wow! Doc, are you seeing this? She turned into a blue Frozen Anna and Elsa lunchbox. That's insane!
This is more serious than I thought. Okay, Shine, maybe you need to keep sneezing to see what we're dealing with. Oh, Doc, do you think you'll be able to save her? Will I ever see Shine again? I can't be Shimmer and Shine without Shine. Shimmer, don't worry. My team of doctors and I will fix it in no time.
Don't worry, Shimmer. We're the best at melting problems away.
Chew!
Whoa! That was a big sneeze. Whoa, guys! Are you seeing this?
Oh, Shine.
Wow, I feel funny. I sort of feel like I need to go chase something or go save something. Guys, what did I turn into?
Nice doggy. Nice doggy. Oh, sorry. You're Chase from Paw Patrol. Chase is on the case. He's the best.
Oh no, I feel another sneeze coming.
Take cover!
Chew!
Is it over? What's next?
It's Judy Hopps from Zootopia. I just want to give her a big hug. Wow, I feel like I can be anything I want to be.
Well, right now, you're being a bunny rabbit, and I think you need to be a genie.
Oh no, it's happening again.
Oh no, I can't look.
Choo! Whoa, I feel really fast.
Whoa, what a cool blue monster truck!
I gotta try this out.
Let's fasten our seatbelts and we're gonna go on the ride of our lives!
Oh, this is gonna be the best ride yet!
Oh, guys, get off of Shine. We have to figure out what's going on.
Oh, right. Wrong time for this, Doc. Wrong time.
Sorry.
Oh no, it's happening.
Quick, get off!
Ah!
Choo! Oh, wow. I feel really cold. Oh, look, Doc McStuffins, it's Elsa! Elsa in her blue dress! Oh, I just love Elsa! Hi! Lanny? It's still me, Shine. I just look different. Oh, right! Sorry, I forgot. Oh no, I think I'm getting ready to have a bunch. Achoo!
Oh no, take cover!
Oh wait, I forgot. Oh, that's right. Achoo! Oh, finally. I finally feel normal again. Wait, when did you guys get so small?
Shine, we didn't get smaller. You got bigger. Yeah, sis. I don't think you'll be able to fit in our genie lamp that size.
Oh, Doc, please, can you help me? I don't want to be big forever. I want to be normal again. What should I do?
Oh, Shine, don't worry. I have a diagnosis. You have a case of the sneezy halitosis. But don't worry, it can easily be fixed, just with a case of the hiccups. So, can you try to hiccup for us?
Okay, I can try.
You can do it, Shine. Just give it a hiccup. That's all it takes.
Go, Shine, go!
Come on, Shine. All right, here I go. Did it work? Did it work?
Yay, sis, you're back to normal!
Yay!
Oh, I've missed you. Oh, thank you, Doc McStuffins. Oh, and you too, assistant doctors.
Thanks so much, Doc and assistants. I don't know where I'd be without you. Well, I do. I wouldn't be myself. So, thanks. You know what they always say?
What?
An apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Huh?
You know. So, obviously, I haven't been eating enough apples.
Oh, that makes sense. Well, you guys did a great job.
Oh no, she's gonna blow!
Achoo!
Oh, sparkling genies. Wow, that was so crazy how Shine couldn't stop sneezing into different characters. Hey, people at home, what was your favorite character that Shine sneezed into? Was it Little Elsa, or maybe Judy Hopps, or was it Lavendar from the Little Charmers? Let us know in the comments below. And for more sneeze-tastic videos, make sure to subscribe to the Engineering Family channel. And give us a big thumbs up if you love this video. Also make sure to follow us on Facebook and Twitter.
And today's special spelling word is blue. B-L-U-E. Shine turned into so many blue characters. That was so funny.
Bye everyone! Thanks for watching!
Hey there everyone! Thanks for watching our video. Now make sure that you subscribe to the Engineering Family so you can see lots of cool videos. In fact, there's another cool video right there! You can select and watch it. I think you're really going to like it. Is it Team Umizoomi, Paw Patrol, Surprise Eggs, Frozen, Blade, Masha? There are so many videos to watch! Bye!